Take out all the parts from the packing box. Press the call button on the outdoor station to call the indoor monitor. Click to answer the call, then click to unlock the door. Click to cancel the call. Press the exit button to unlock the door. Click Setting, Card Management, to add user card information. Use the user card to unlock the door. Click Setting, Wireless LAN, then click the QR code. Use the Tuya Smart App to scan the QR code to add the device. Press the call button, phone will receive the calling request. Click to answer the call. Click to unlock the door via Tuya Smart App.